Riding a motorcycle in cold weather can be an amazing experience, but staying warm and comfortable is a completely different challenge. Cold wind, low temperatures, and long rides can quickly make you uncomfortable and affect your focus on the road. That's why having the right riding gear is so important. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best cold weather motorcycle riding gear options for 2026 to help you stay warm, protected, and ready to enjoy your ride, even when the temperature drops. So, let's get started. Number 5. Designed to protect winter sports enthusiasts, motorcyclists, and outdoor workers from harsh conditions, the tough Headwear Fleece Balaclava ski mask is a multifunctional cold weather garment engineered to deliver windproof thermal insulation and full face coverage. Crafted from a polar fleece and spandex blend, it features 4-way stretch for a snug fit, flat lock stitching for durability, and an extended neck panel that easily tucks into jackets to seal out drafts. Its defining design aspect is the built-in breathable mesh mouth panel, which promotes airflow to minimize moisture buildup and reduce goggle fogging during heavy exertion. In real-life scenarios such as high-speed motorcycle rides or sub-zero ski slopes, the mask delivers dependable wind protection and thermal retention while comfortably accommodating glasses and fitting seamlessly beneath helmets without bunching. It offers high ease of use through a versatile, hinged structure that transforms effortlessly into a full balaclava, half mask, ninja hood, or neck gaiter. Compared to premium alternatives like the Under Armour Cold Gear Infrared Balaclava, which relies on lightweight synthetic heat-retentive prints, the tough Headwear model emphasizes plush, heavy-duty fleece warmth, and a superior neck drop at a fraction of the price. While extremely cold or damp weather can occasionally cause mild vapor buildup around the nose bridge for tight-fitting eyewear users, its low cost-to-performance ratio makes it an exceptional value for money. Overall, this balaclava is ideal for skiers, snowboarders, winter cyclists, and outdoor laborers who need affordable, reliable protection against biting winds, and I highly recommend it as an essential winter accessory. Number 4. Designed to serve as an essential base layer against severe winter chill, the thermal underwear for men, Long John Set fleece-lined winter cold weather effectively trap body heat while delivering lightweight all-day comfort. Built from an ultra-soft polyester and spandex blend, this 2-piece top and bottom set features a micro-fleece lining, a tagless design, flat-lock anti-chafing seams, and an elastic waistband for a streamlined, non-bulky fit. Its standout design aspect is the 4-way stretch fabric, integrated with moisture-wicking properties, ensuring unrestricted mobility while pulling sweat away from the skin to keep you dry and regulate body temperature during physical activity. In real-life scenarios such as snowboarding, morning jogs, or working outdoors in sub-zero climates, the set performs exceptionally well by sliding smoothly beneath jeans and heavy jackets without riding up or feeling restrictive. Operating with maximum ease of use, it functions as both high-performance activewear and cozy indoor loungewear, or pajamas. Compared to premium competitors like Smartwool Merino Wool base layers, which offer natural odor resistance at a significantly higher price tag, this fleece-lined synthetic set delivers comparable warmth and superior stretch durability at a fraction of the cost. While extreme activity can cause mild heat trapping for hot sleepers, its budget-friendly price point makes it an unbeatable value for money. Overall, this set is ideal for winter athletes, outdoor laborers, and anyone seeking affordable relief from cold weather, and I highly recommend it as an essential, low-cost addition to any winter wardrobe. Number 3. Designed to offer comprehensive upper body impact and abrasion protection, the AutoMotives motorcycle body protective jacket armor serves as an essential safety layer for motocross, ATV, dirt biking, and trail riding. Constructed around a lightweight, stretchable mesh fabric base, it features high-density, injection-molded PVC hard-shell armor covering the chest, spine, shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Its build combines durability with high breathability, incorporating ventilation ports on the plastic shells and shock-absorbing EVA foam padding underneath to maintain comfort during intense rides. Key design aspects include a full-length central front zipper for easy wear, built-in thumb loops on the Lycra cuffs to keep the sleeve armor securely in place, and a flexible, multi-piece articulated spine guard with an integrated tailbone extension. For custom adjustability, elastic Velcro straps span across the arms and shoulders, alongside a wide elastic kidney belt to lock the guards against the body and prevent shifting during a fall. In real-life off-road scenarios, the jacket excels at deflecting rocks, branches, and trail impacts, while the mesh construction provides excellent airflow in warm conditions. Compared to high-end brand alternatives like the Fox Racing Titan Sport Armor, which uses premium impact-absorbing materials and refined zippers at a significantly higher price, the AutoMotives set offers a nearly identical layout and functional protection at a tiny fraction of the cost, making it an extraordinary value for money. While the zippers and straps require gentle handling due to entry-level construction, its low cost to protection ratio makes it a standout choice for budget-conscious riders. Overall, this armor jacket is ideal for dirt bike beginners, ATV enthusiasts, and trail riders seeking affordable, full upper body coverage, and I highly recommend it as a cost-effective safety investment. Number 2. Designed to keep extreme cold at bay during freezing outdoor excursions, the Action Heat 3 volts cotton rechargeable battery heated socks 1.0 deliver targeted thermal relief for winter sports enthusiasts, hunters, and cold weather workers. Crafted from a soft, stretchable blend of 67% cotton, polyester, nylon, and spandex, these socks feature reinforced heels and toes, along with ultrafine carbon fiber heating elements strategically positioned across the top of the toes. Powered by 2 rechargeable 3.7V lithium polymer batteries tucked neatly into dedicated cuff pockets, the system offers 3 adjustable heat settings reaching up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a runtime ranging from 4 hours on high to over 8 hours on low. Operating the socks is straightforward via push-button controls or an included wireless remote, making heat adjustments easy without having to roll up pant legs. In real-life scenarios such as tailgating, ice fishing, or wearing heavy work boots in sub-zero temperatures, the socks perform well by delivering consistent warmth that wards off numbness. Though users engaging in high aerobic activities should note that the cotton construction absorbs moisture faster than synthetic or merino wool blends, compared to premium alternatives like lens-heated socks, which feature full-foot heating zones and app-controlled Bluetooth capabilities at a significantly higher price. The Action Heat 1.0 provides an entry-level, straightforward heating solution at a fraction of the cost. While the battery placement adds minor bulk around the calf, its affordable price point and reliable heating performance make it an excellent value for money for casual winter wear. Overall, these socks are ideal for outdoor laborers, winter spectators, and anyone suffering from poor circulation or cold feet, making them a solid, budget-friendly recommendation for mild to moderate cold exposure. Number 1. Engineered to deliver high-utility protective coverage for dual sport, adventure touring, and daily commuting, the HWK Dual Sport Motorcycle Pants offer all-weather versatility for riders on a budget. Constructed from an abrasion-resistant 600D Cordura textile outer shell, upgraded to 1000D in high-impact zones, these pants feature a micro-mesh lining paired with a RISA, water-resistant membrane to seal out wind and light rain. Their functional design includes removable CE-rated impact armor at the knees and hips, double-stitch stress seams, 5H Scotch-Lite reflective piping for high-visibility night riding, and a waist connection zipper that attaches seamlessly to compatible riding jackets. Practical details like thigh, air ventilation zips, two-way adjustable Velcro waist straps, and extra-long ankle zippers allow the pants to slide effortlessly over bulky motorcycle boots or function as overpants over daily clothing. In real-life riding conditions, they perform reliably in cold to moderate climates by blocking harsh wind, though prolonged downpours may eventually penetrate the seams, and the thermal buildup can feel warm during stationary midsummer stops. Compared to established entry-level competitors like the Joe Rocket Ballistic 7.0 pants, which command a notably higher price tag for slightly more refined, waterproofing membranes and heavier armor pockets. HWK delivers virtually identical core layout functionality at an ultra-accessible entry point. While the stock armor pads are somewhat basic and worth upgrading for aggressive off-roading, the build quality and sheer utility relative to cost make them an exceptional value for money. Overall, these pants are best suited for beginner riders, daily commuters, and budget-conscious dual sport enthusiasts needing essential protection without heavy financial commitment. And I fully recommend them as an unbeatable entry-level option. And that's our look at the 5 best cold weather motorcycle riding gear for 2026. The right gear can make a huge difference when you're riding in chilly conditions, helping you stay warm, comfortable, and focused on the road. Whether you ride every day or only take your bike out on cold weather adventures, investing in quality gear is always a smart choice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and let us know in the comments which cold weather motorcycle gear you would choose.